Hi, okay, class. Assalamualaikum and good day, everyone. Okay, so today we will enter the chapter 2. Chapter 2 is about probability. Okay, probability. Alright, so objective, at the end of this subject, this chapter, you will able to know, to apply the concept of set. Okay, and then you will know how to explain what is an event, and the last one is of course the probability. Okay, and then after that, okay, you will also be able to use multiplication rule and also addition rule to find the probability. Okay, class. But for this video, I will stop until the probability. Until concept of set. Then I will continue the next video with the probability, and the next video another one which is a multiplication rule and also addition rule. Okay, alright, so without further ado, we will start with the concept of set first. Okay, so concept of set, so they have a few terms that you need to know first. Okay, I list down here. So the first one is experiment. Okay, what's mean by experiment? Okay, experiment is a process that when performed, the result is one and only one of many observation. So for the easiest way to understand is experiment is a process ataupun activity. Itu je, you just macam is a process ataupun activity that you have to do it. Okay, macam tu, anggap macam tu dulu. Alright, okay, then outcome. So outcome is the observation of an experiment. Okay, you already done the experiment, which is you are done the process or the activity, then it will be give a result. Okay, the result we call it as the outcome. Okay, the observation one. Okay, the observation that we have that we get it from the result is a called outcome. And then we also have we have a sample space. Okay, sample space. Okay, sample space is the set of all possible outcomes. So dia ada kaitan dengan outcome tadi lah. So the sample space is the set. The keyword here is a set. It's a set. Okay, that's a keyword here. Okay, then sample point actually nothing. It's just macam a point ataupun the all the outcomes that you have lah, all the element. Okay, all the element in the sample space. And this one is event. Okay, event is any subset of sample space. Maksudnya event ni adalah kiri anak kepada sample space tadi. So it's a subset. Okay, the word here we use as is a subset. Okay, means that event is belong to the sample space, macam is a part of sample space. Okay, alright, that's all for the concept of set, the meaning or the few terms that you need to know. Okay, so now I will go to the example. Okay, so example here. Okay, I just want to go through the process. The process mean here, what is the experiment, what is the outcome, what is the sample space, and what is the event. Okay, so I give you example here. Roll a die. Okay, roll a die or toss a coin. Okay, toss a coin. Okay, so for the roll a die. Okay, so actually roll a die is an experiment itself. Roll a die tu dah eksperimen lah. Maksudnya you buat eksperimen membaling dadu. So two activity you buat. That one is your experiment. Okay, one experiment. Then what is the outcome that you should get? Okay, the outcome here is the observation that you have. Okay, bila you baling dadu, let's say you throw or you roll a die. Okay, you baling satu dadu, you might get one. Atau maksudnya bila you baling dadu tu face dia satu. Dia mahala you dapat satu lah, one kan. Or maybe you throw, you get two, you get three kan. Maksudnya it's possible what the dadu yang die tu boleh bagi you satu, dua, tiga, okay, 4, 5, 6. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcome. Okay, hope that you clear on that part. Okay, then we go to the sample space. Sample space, okay, the keyword just now I said that is a set. It's a set of the observation just now, or a set of the outcome. So you just put a set. So macam mana simbol set? Okay, macam simbol set dia kita akan tulis macam ni. Sekejap saya rasa saya punya I'm sorry because saya tak ada ni, saya tulis macam ni. Okay, so this is the set symbol. Okay, so later, okay, after this slide, I will show you lah. Okay, then that one is the sample space. So inside here, they have lah your outcome tadi. 1, 2, 3 until 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3 until 6 just now is outcome. And sample space means that you just put a set symbol here, become set. Okay. And then another one is sample point. Okay, sample point is the what we have inside here lah. Okay, what we have inside here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then the last one is event, right? Event is a subset of the sample space. For example, list down the even number. For example, okay. So even number is a part of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Which is 2, 4, and 6. So that one is event. Event of even number. Okay. Alright. So same thing for toss a coin. Okay. Toss a coin is an experiment that you need to do. Okay. You baling shilling. Okay. You lempar shilling. So that one the experiment. So what's the outcome? The outcome that you will get either two only, which is head or tail. Okay. Kepala ataupun ekor lah kan. Head or tail. So that one is the outcome. And then the sample space means you just put it the sample set or the set symbol, and then sample point is you list down head and tail, and then also event. Okay, so that's the example, the simple example that I can give you to give you an idea about the what is the experiment, what is the outcome, and so on forth. Okay, so alright, so this is the what I mentioned just now. Okay, we have an experiment, okay, which is throw a die, and then what outcome that we should get here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the sample space, okay, that's what I mean. You just put the set symbol here. So this is the set, okay. And the last one is event. So for example, I give you even number. So this is 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6 is belongs to the sample space, is it? So they have 2, 4, 6 here. Alright. Okay class, so now we go to the type of event. Saya nak kena kecilkan eh. Okay class, so type of event. Alright, so they have a few terms in event lah, ataupun beberapa jenis event. Okay, the first one here, complement event. Say complement event, maksudnya perkataan pun kita tahu kan, complement. So selalu kita cakap complement each other. Alright, so complement saling melengkapi. So the complement of an event A with respect to S is the subset of all element of S that are not in A. Macam maksud dia, kalau lah tadi saya bagi contoh baling dadu tadi kan, for example roll a die, so the set S, okay, ataupun dia punya sample space tadi, S tadi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's say I give you an event A adalah even number 2, 4, 6. So means that A prime, okay, this is how we write, okay, A prime, A bar or A prime, okay, maksudnya A bar, so this is A, so A bar or A prime means that it's a complement of A, okay, a complement of A. So tadi saya bagi contoh, for example, A is an even number, so that's mean what's the other point ataupun event that we will complement to A, which is 1, 3, and 6. 1, 3, and 5, is it? Tadi kita dah ada odd even number, so now we want to have a that one even number is 2, 4, 6, right? So now we want to complement with the A just now, so we have 1, 3, and 5. So means that 1, 3, and 5 is a complement to A. Okay, bila you combine, okay, when you combine all these elements, so it will give you back the S or the sample space. Right, so maksudnya A tu saling melengkapi lah. Kalau tak ada dalam set A ni, maksudnya A prime dia mesti ada ataupun balance tadi. Okay, balance lah, saya kata baki yang tak ada tadi. Okay, alright, so now we proceed to the second one is intersection event. So intersection event is the event that containing all the element that are common to A and B. All element, all that common. Maksudnya kalau A ada nombor tu, for example nombor lah, B also have that number, so that one is a element that common to A and B. So this is how we write the symbol. So A intercept B. Okay, how we read A intercept B. Okay, alright, it's okay. Later I will show you the example. Alright, and then the last one, not the last one, I think. The next one is union of event. So union of event is the event that containing all elements that belong to A or B or both. Okay, the keyword here, kalau intersection is N and B, and union is or. Okay, that's what the hint or the word. Okay. Okay, so this is the symbol. So we read it as A union B. Okay, A union B. Alright, next. Okay, example. We come to the example. Boleh ke saya besarkan balik? Okay. Alright, class. So example here. Example. So kalau you boleh tengok dekat notes pun ada. Kalau you nak tengok lah. Wait Alright, if S. Okay, S is sample space, right? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So that's one is your sample space. And A, Q, S, T, V, X. Okay, so you can see that this A, Q, S, T, V, X actually is an event lah. Okay, event to this kan. So Q, S, T, V, X pun ada dalam ni. So this is your sample space and A is your event. B also is your event. C also is your event. And D also is your event. Okay, alright. So the question now is list the elements of the sets corresponding to the following event. Okay, so the corresponding event. Okay, now I will write here. And again, I'm sorry because I'm using this PDF pencil, so I'm not using the tab or any device. So my handwriting will be terrible. Sorry again. Okay, so now, okay, the first question here is list the element inside A union B. So what's the element here? A union B. So A union B means that A union C class. A union C. Okay, A union C. So this is A Q S T V X. Okay, now Q S T V X. So you just combine with C. Ada tak? R U W Y. So you just write all the element here. Q, comma, okay, comma, S. You just write lah. Q S T V X and then R U W Y. So that will be your set. Okay, I repeat again. Listen. A union C means you combine all the element that have in A and also C. So here your A union C should be Q S T V X R U W Y. Okay. Next, A intersect B. Okay, A intersect B. Okay, A intersect B means a set that you have an element in common for both. Maksudnya dua-dua tu ada elemen tu. Okay, you can see that A here Q S T V X. Okay, and B P R V W Y. So kat sini, okay, see carefully which element that you contain. A you have it, B also you have it. So Q tak ada, okay, for B tak ada Q, and S also they have no S in B. T they have no T in B. How about V? Yes, V. You have V in A and also V in B. So that's mean, besar pula saya buat set. So means that inside this set is only V. Only V. Okay, that's mean by intersect. So the common, okay, yang ada ataupun dua-dua tu sama lah. Dua-dua tu adalah set A dan set B. Okay, so now C prime or complement C. Okay, so C, okay, just now R U W Y. So that's C, R U W Y. So what's the complement C? Okay, you need to refer to the sample space again, the original one, the long one here, PQR. So what's meant by complement C is the set that others than, selain daripada R U W Y. So there will be P, okay, there will be Q, R, okay, R dah ada. S, T, U also dah have it. V, W have it. X, okay, that one. Okay, so I repeat again. There should be your C prime is P, Q, S, T, V, and S. Okay, class? Alright, so, yeah. Okay, another one lah. The last one here, for example, you have B intersect with C. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, listen my voice. B intersect with C, and then they have a prime here. Okay, prime, or maybe a bar here. Okay, actually the same thing lah. Bar and prime is the same thing. It's mean complement. So what you should do now first, you need to find B intersect C first. Maksudnya you ada two tasks that you need to settle. The first one, you need to solve the B intersect C first. Okay, B intersect C. After B intersect C, okay, saya buat dulu B intersect C, so means that dia mana common. So R, W, and Y. So they have R, W, and Y. So that's one. This one is B intersect C. But our question wants B intersect C complement. Maksudnya selain, okay, must be others than R, W, Y. So you need to list down all the others element that selain, okay, other than R, W, Y. Okay, class. Alright, so that's the how we find lah for what's the mean by union, what's the mean by intersect, complement. Okay, class. Alright, so now we proceed to the they have another event here. So type of event, okay, continue by yang tadi lah. Okay, they have type of event, they have another two here. So the mutually exclusive event, okay, is if A and B have no element in common. Okay, this one is no element in common. Tak ada langsung. Dia bukan macam intersection. Dia tak ada langsung common. Okay, so we write it here as, okay, because you can see lah, the keyword here is common. So means that we can relate with the intersection. So that's we can see that the symbol is here is still intersection. So A intersect B, and this one means 0 ataupun bukan 0, it means nothing. 0 means they have no element. Okay, they have no element. Maksudnya tak ada. Okay, this is mean a 0 set. Okay, the symbol here or this symbol means a 0 set. So 0 set means you can see that they have no element. So even though it's a no element, tak ada pun elemen yang sama, so you still need to write this symbol. Okay, means no element. Okay, so that one the mutual exclusive event, and the last one here is independent and dependent event. So these two events are said to be independent if the occurrence of one does not affect the probability of the occurrence of the others. Okay, kat sini maksud dia macam the meaning is so clear. Maksudnya kalau independent tu maksudnya is independent lah, dia sendiri dia. Okay, they have no depends, it not dependent on the others one. Okay, so means that kalau they have the occurrence will not affect lah for the others probability. So this is how we write it. So PA condition, PA/B. So actually this is a conditional. Okay, so okay, for the independent and dependent event, I will not explain detail. I will explain detail for this topic or for this independent and dependent event after I explain to you about probability. Okay, because you can see that they have a P in front here, right? Yang tadi semua tak ada P. Okay, actually this P is represent probability. So I will explain details on independent and dependent event after I will explain about probability. Okay, so class, so probability I will continue in the next video. So for now we will that's it for now. Okay, so I will continue in the next video. Right, thank you.